Okay, so this question here, how do we factorize this? So when I look at this, I see what's called a perfect square. So I see a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And I know that because I can see that factorizes into this a minus b all squared. All I need to work out is what my a and b are to do that. And I can factorize it. So if I look at this first term here, I know that a squared is equal to 36x squared. Okay, so if I want to work out just a, I need to square root this side to get rid of the squared, and that leaves me with a equaling the square root of 36x squared, which will be 6x. Okay. I can do the same thing with b. I know that b squared is equal to 25. Okay. And that means that b will be equal to 5. Okay. So if I rewrite this up here in terms of this equation at the bottom, that we'll see if it makes sense. 6x all squared minus 2 times 6x times 5 plus 5 all squared. And that makes sense because 2 times 6x is 12x. 5 times 12 is 60, which is my original number. So that means I can factorize this into 6x minus 5 all squared.